Hello students, today class we going to learn about the probability. Lesson number 12, the topic name is Introduction of Probability Theory. So first we should know what is probability, how it is defined. Because before enter the probability, we have some idea, means it will clearly understanding the concept of probability. Otherwise, we will have some struggle to understanding. Now, the probability is well defined in the process of an experiment. Experiment means we can doing some event. For example, if you tossing a coin, it has a two results. One is head, another one is tail. So the possible outcome is 2. But if you say the probability value for head means 1 by 2 and tail means 1 by 2. If the general sample space, the total outcome, it is called sample space, it is called probability, that is 2. And favorable outcome will come, that is result. For example, 1 head and 1 tail, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So generally the probability value is 1, which is 50% positive, 50% negative. So most of the time we found only the positive result. We occur only the positive result, which means the favorable result. Now I will say probability of event, it is equal to favorable outcome by the total outcome. So we denote like this: probability of A is equal to number of A by number of S. Already I told you, S means sample space and A is the favorable outcome, and here the general form, probability of event. The event name is A. For example, tossing coin. Let me explain. If you toss 2 coins, what is the result of coins? So we have HH, HT, TH and TT. So that is the 4 result. It is called sample space, which means total outcome. Now we know that is the event happened. So I said A is the event. So that is event is happened. Now we occur if. So what is the probability of only 1 head? Only 1 head. So we could write only 1 head. If P of X is equal to 1 means, which means only 1 head. Only 1 head means what is the probability have? This one and this one. The image have 2. So the 2. Now we will write the P of A is equal to, this is the favorable outcome. 2 by sample space 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 we have. So the answer is 1 by 2. That is the probability of 1 head. Suppose they asked what is the probability of 2 head? That is 1 by 4. If what is the probability of 3 heads? 1, 2, 3, which means 3 by 4. So this kind of method we are going to find out the probability using the relative of the P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. Some important formula we need. The next one, probability of MT means 0, which means the event does not happen. Next one, probability of A intersection B bar, which is B of A minus P of A intersection B. B bar means that is nothing happened bar, I mean against of B. And P of A means B. A and B has a 2 event. And so on. We have these 5 formula important for the next subtopics. Now we are going to solve example 12.1 using some critical data. Look at the sum. Check an experiments of probability is permissible or not. Permissible means, already I told you, probability total value is 1. If the event, if P of A, P of B, P of C is equal to 1 means it is permissible, otherwise it is not permissible. So let us take the first one, which is P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equal to 1. We just added 4 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7 is equal to 7. That is 4 plus 1, 5 plus 7, 7 sevens are 1. So it is permissible. So finish the first one answer. I hope you understand what I am trying to say. Next, second one. The same thing again going to add it together and we will get 1. If 1 means it is permissible, if not 1 means it is not permissible. Second one, we are adding together 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 3, 4, 6. 6 by 1, that is greater than 1. So it is not permissible. The next one, third. 0.3 plus 0.9 minus 0.2. 0. Minus 0.2. So negative value, it is not permissible because negative is not accepted. So it is not permissible. And fourth one, we may add 1 by root 3 plus 1 minus 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 plus 1 minus 1 root 3. 1 cancel, that is 1. So the answer, it is permissible. Last one, 0.421 and 0.527 and 0.042. We are adding the 3 digits of 3 and we will get 1. We added the 3 digits. 0.42, 527, 0.042. We added 7, 8, 10, remainder 1, 5, 4, 9, 5, 4, 9. It is not 1. So 0.996 less than 1. So the answer is, it is not permissible. That's all the answer for the first example. I hope you understand what I am taught you of the today classes. The today class, again I repeat you, which is a probability, total value is 1. The P of A is equal to N of A by N of S, which means the probability of V1 is equal to number of favorable outcome by total number of outcome or sample space. And we saw only one sum about the concept of the probability, total probability. You just try out the exercise and example problem. That's it.